Hi, Populist. Steve here with this month's Culture Corner. As I alluded to last month, it is now time for our semi-annual spring survey. I'm super excited. Here at Populist, if you haven't figured it out already, you are priority number one. Our professional commercial cleaners. Y'all are the backbone, the heartbeat, and the wind that keeps us going. Of course, this is not to say that our other departments aren't solid gold, because y'all know you are. We would not be the same or would not be able to do what we do without you. And we are in need of your honest feedback as well. So here at Populist, one of our three uniques is our staff selection. Why, you ask? Because we understand the importance of the role each one of you play, right? I personally feel extremely proud to represent Populist, and I want to see us grow and give more life-changing opportunities to people like you and people like me. See, that's what happens when you put core values above everything else. You get invested in something that you can't touch, only experience. So, now you're here and you're a part of the team. We want to hear from you, and this survey is your opportunity to do that, right? Our surveys only take a few minutes to complete, and you will have known in a manner that's 100% anonymous. You will have done your part by contributing your valued opinion. As always, we truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you and are excited to hear what we all have to say. Just to note, this time around, in order to be eligible, you will have to have started with Populist on January 29th or before. And we're gonna start the survey April 23rd, and it's gonna be open for a 7-day submission period, and of course, one submission per team member. All right, y'all, that's all I got this month. Until next time, let's get it. Woo!